Hi, today I'm going to show how a wedge boat works. We use two templates, one for a wedge-shaped boat and another for a normal square-shaped boat. I cut both templates and glued them into shape. Then we placed a line as the destination point. When we blew air on both boats, the wedge-shaped boat went further than the squares through the air easily and faces less air resistance. So the wedge shape helps things move smoothly or cut through materials with less effort. I'm going to show how a tumbling toy works. We used paper sheets, glue, scissors, and two marbles, and we made a rectangular box using the paper sheets as per measurements. Then we put two marbles inside the box and closed both sides using small sheets. When I pushed the box on a flat surface, it needed more effort. But on a slope, it rolled down easily without much effort. The toy rolls down faster on a slope because of the inclined plane. We use less effort compared to pushing it on a flat surface. Thank you for watching my simple machine activities.